MG Bhavanarayanans is a story that would tug at your heartstrings. This once lanky medium pacer and middle order batsman started playing cricket at the age of 15 and played till he was 60. A conversation with him will tell you how in those days the ardent cricket lover did not mind walking all the way to the grounds to pick up a bat and have a go. Having played for the Mylapore Zone and the Port Trust and being an integral part of the Tamil Nadu Ranji team, both times it has won the trophy, Bhava, as he was fondly called by his teammates, collected many memories of Madras. Lawyer M.G. Bhavanarayanan's affair with cricket is more than 6 decades old. It dates back to the day when money was not mentioned in the same breath as cricket, when there were no blogs or TV channels to record splendid performances, and when going for a practice in the morning meant walking a minimum of 6 kilometers.
Those days, we used to buy for 4 annas second-hand bat from a marker because we couldn't afford to pay more. For that, we would have practice. Only so much of wood was there, and the handle will be split. With that, we used to practice. Only when we played matches, we had 1 or 2 good bats, costing about 60 rupees each. And balls cost about 3. Good balls cost about 8 to 10 rupees. A Duke ball cost 18 rupees, English. Those were the days when even that 18 rupees was quite a lot of money. I used to come by bicycle with my boots and kit there, because we had only 1 or 2 pants and shirts. Those days we couldn't afford to buy all that. From there, many of the people used to come to grounds on bike or even walk.
Bhavanarayanan grew up facing fast balls without a helmet and with rickety bats. His career started with playing cricket on the university grounds, and it was while playing for the Mylapore Zone and the Port Trust that he honed his skills as a fine medium pacer and middle order batsman. His fielding skills saw him get selected in the Ranji Trophy team, and the ever modest Bhavanarayanan dismisses it as a coincidence that Tamil Nadu has lifted the trophy only twice, while he was a player and while he was a selector.
People who played inter-university were selected for India. For example, Gopinath, Kripal Singh, Surya Narayana from Tamil Nadu, and Patankar, Bombay, M.L. Apte. Then we had Kastur Rangan of Karnataka. Then in Pune, one Shelke, left-hand bowler. The cricket was good. Whereas after that, I think Ranji Trophy. Ranji Trophy, it was very difficult to get in because we had very good players in Tamil Nadu. So I have no regrets. Because I was a good field, I used to be in the team. I think I was a 12th man for more than 12 Ranji Trophy matches.
That era produced many legendary players, many of whom had to miss the bus to the higher levels of cricket. Bhava, as he was fondly called by his teammates, reminisces about the golden matches of his days and wonders how so many great players are forever lost to the generations that followed.
In Law College, we had one K.G. Kannabran, who was a people's, rightist lawyer. He was a brilliant off spinner. People do not know that part of his. I was encouraged by my uncle's son, late Kasturi Rangan, who owns the National United Club. From National United Club only, I played for Ranji. I joined Port Trust. There I played for 25 years as a captain. My tenure in Mylapore zone was when we won twice the Butchbabu tournament in 58, 59, 59, 60. For that, one Devaraj of Milky Way Cricket Club was the live wire behind that team.
Bhava at 83 is still an ardent follower of cricket. As he observes the recent happenings in the game through his thick glasses, there is something that makes him wish he could set the clock back to the days.
Actually, for the love of the game, they used to enjoy playing cricket. In other words, irrespective of whether they got selected for India or not, they had the talent, they utilized it, they scored, and they showed they were fit for consideration.
With that beautiful story, another episode of the Metro Plus show comes to an end. There were many stories in this week's Metro Plus magazine, but I had to restrict myself to just 4. But you can keep your feedback about the show pouring in to feedback@nytv-hindu.com and let us know. Till the next time, have a colorful week.